You see the difference now.
What kind of smash and pass do you talk about?
Do you want to do the honors?
Yes, please.
Okay. Smash. Pass. It's just for the video.
Would you?
Not serious.
Would you?
The girl.
Would you?
Wait now.
Would
Wait
you?
now. Let me get the girl name. The girl when they come down here with
Pause
them.
it first.
When I
Pause it first.
I cannot pause the video, sir. It's already rolling.
Chantage name.
Me give she same warning like for me keep me.
Let me
give
get
same warning.
now.
Yeah, give me one.
Shall go back to Papa. Can't say it for camera.
Would you?
Original, no, me not hear what Richie say.
We don't need to hear where Richie
no,
said.
Go your Richie.
What's that?
Oh.
You don't smash our pass, me.
You?
Yeah, smash our pass.
Wait there.
Hold on.
Go, go.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, but you know, nobody at all.
Yeah, you're not smash nobody.
You say nobody at all.
Me say smash.
Who?
You're not saying nobody.
Me say mother smash papa.
We can't manage. So come, boys. Yours truly. Smash our pass.
I keep telling you, come down.
No, what?
But I want to hear what she going to say off camera because she said if it don't go by YouTube, say no that means.
So I have also Richie. You.
Hold on.
Me I choose. Me want to know.
No, you can't do that yet. You have to just wait. You have to wait till I ask you. So, we have to start with me first. We have to start with me first. Hold on, we have to start with me
No,
first.
you know, tell you, we say out of everybody,
Yeah,
you
me
tell out in
understand.
them. John Dick, Tom, and Harry.
So, you don't smash our pass here, truly. Mr. Lawrence here, me, smash pass. What's that? No, sir. No, sir.
It's a sweet Richie.
Alright. Hold on.
You serious?
We start again.
You want me to go barber? I laugh too much because me just a hot man. You laugh.
Hold on. Boy, me I try to get control of this space, guys. Listen, me I try to get control of this space. Hold
Who
on.
is it? Not to say that. Come on, tell me interview because you're going to give up. Come on, eh? Come on, man. Talk to you, know. You like it, never.
Alright, smash our pass. Would you smash our pass? That guy.
All the time.
Pass.
Blood clot.
Braveheart.
Alright. Again, next. Your turn, your turn. So, after me, then you.
Come on.
Would you smash or pass, Candy?
Candy, I'm a general. I'm telling you. Pass. No, Candy, I'm a smash, Candy. Candy, I'm a G. No, Candy, I'm a G. No, but you are going. May I be honest, no, Candy, I'm a G. Me can't
No,
smash.
that me mean.
Hmm.
You can mark that.
No, turn off.
Me I say if you go crap the video, then like three ask her about the same thing.
I
It's a
think
different
they
video.
like the perspective then. So
This is gonna be everyone.
this one?
If you use everybody, if you ask everybody.
Oh no, it'll be different.
Are you
It'll be
gonna
different.
just
It'll be
different
cut different. Yeah. It'll be a different video altogether. So back to the smash or passing thing. So she passed Alton. Your time for question me now. Candy, my pass. So my turn for ask you again. Would you smash or pass? Richie.
Pass.
What's up?
Pass.
What? Alright, cool. My turn.
Would you smash or pass, Kelani?
Pass, Kelani, I'm a little sister. Can't smash my little sister. And then I prefer dark skin woman. Yeah. So, my turn again. Smash or pass? Would you? Bag of things go on right now. No. Bag of things go on. Would you smash or pass? Fire us.
Pass.
I don't understand how everybody just a pass. I never ask you if you that smash it.
Bunny down to the ground.
That's a bunny dog tiger. Alright, my turn again.
Would you smash or pass Christasha?
Smash! Okay. Alright, who there again? Blur it need. Yes. Would you smash or pass Popeye?
Pass.
Yo, me not understand enough. How you
Papa,
pass
your friend
everybody?
like that, so me couldn't cross the boundary.
Alright. Smash or pass? My turn now. Come on.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Is that her name?
Yo, me and Natasha just attack all night and she said she want to make my best friend. I can't smash. You couldn't ask me before. I can't.
Because
No.
the people them come like family.
No, but
friends,
that
so we
smash.
know. Yo, you that smash.
Smash over there.
Christasha.
But me have to pass Natasha. Natasha I'm a G, so.
Why?
Where the
Have a
the
pass.
other one name?
Yeah, you know me back.
Oh, come. Would you smash or pass Bieber?
Me feel like that face like he answer. Me feel like that face like he answer.
I can't bother with life.
Also.
I have to go pass. Not because of how she looks, she's really attractive, but me have to pass for other reasons. You see me? So, yeah. But come on, I don't know how I think go.
Oh, yeah, look at me.
Hold on. Make a car pass. Hold on, I would run out of man. We don't have no more man for.
You have mega.
Oh,
You have.
blur it neat.
The other photographer?
Yeah, the brother will hit it. Would you smash or pass? Mega.
I would pass.
Oh my god.
You know, I think Mega start ask why.
Pass.
Why? No, hold on, and answer one. Would you smash or pass? Yes, truly.
Yeah,
Mr. Lawrence.
about 3 times already.
But you don't answer. Come on.
I have to answer that again.
They want to pass. I don't want to hurt my feelings. Smash. So, alright. Good.
Yes, can we say it more?
Still.
Oh, my turn. Would I smash? We can't left out Jutta. But yeah, my turn again.
Tiffy.
No, my turn again. You pass, you just smash me, so you have to ask me now.
Yeah, Peter alone. So me do that.
Yes, look how you're nice, woman. I want to smash.
Asking if you want to smash or pass for. You have Tori, you have Shine.
Yeah. What the other girl the name? Would you smash or pass Tori?
They keep on having the same answer. Them answer different.
What if I say I'm not smashing that? Must I go smashing at the next? Yes, I smash to her.
Why?
I would smash.
Why?
I would smash.
Why would you smash?
I have no particular reason.
Why?
No, but me pass not the last one. You make me say that a while ago. I would pass. Tori, I'm a
This is the
general.
truth then.
Tori, I'm a
This
general.
one is the truth. You would smash her.
Would smash. Hold on, your time now. Get to you to suffer a long time. Would you smash or pass? Jutta.
Alright.
Get to you to suffer. What?
Pass. I'll pass.
Pass, Jutta. I feel like run out of smash and pass, you know. Just should I smash?
Okay.
Just should I smash?
Say camera. And smash and get a fist.
Smash and get a fist.
Everybody say they don't smash me. Man.
So, anything you want to say to the people and before we go? So that's Honey's mommy, people. If you never watch the movie, go check it out. Where is Honey? What you want to say to the people?
Yes, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at officialyaniboo_32 and on YouTube at keepupwith_yanyan. Yeah.
You have content over there? You have video upload over there?
Just do something I have over there for now.
Oh.
For now.
But I need to post more video.
Yeah, it may come out later now then something. So guys, yeah, thanks for the support all over. Let's continue to like, comment, share and support Akeem and all of you. Big up on yourself.
Hear that? Later. Yeah.